Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto Mining 2025. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can join the Athene Public Sale. So basically how to join the Athene Public Sale is very simple. What you do, just go to the Athene Network community on Telegram, head on to this update which says how to join Athene Public Sale. Then scroll down to where you'll see here it's saying joining is simple here. Then tap here. So basically when you open this site, it will show you the instructions how to join the public sale. So, okay, stay with me as we join, or as I show you how to join the Athene public sale. So okay, open that blog. So when you open that blog, you land on this page, how to join ATH Public Sale, easy steps for beginners. So okay, you can, when you scroll down a bit, you can see definition of what is ATH Public Sale. Then the ATH Public Sale is a final blah blah blah. The sale is conducted through blah blah blah. So okay, let's head on to the first step. So okay, you can see how to join public sale. So the first step is to register an account. Then you can see they even provided the website to the they even provided the link to the website. You can see register an account, go to the official website and register your email. Verify your account by entering the OTP code sent to your email. Once registered, log in to access the homepage. Okay, with that, let's head on to the first step. So let's tap the link, open the website and create an account first. Okay, tap the link, you land on this page. Then okay, website, then yeah, it's loading. Okay, and there you have it. So in case you're having problems opening or getting the link to this site, I'll provide the link under the description of the video. So what you do, you can just open it, then you land on this interface. So okay, we were told to input our email and our password to register an account. So okay, let me input my email, password, let me input it. So okay, after filling the details for your password, your email, so okay, come and tap register. Then okay, it's loading. Then it will require you to activate your account. So just tap activate. Then OTP code, let me get my OTP code. So okay, basically go get the OTP code from your email, then paste it there, then just come and tap confirm to create an account, because this was the first step. So okay, let it create. Congratulations on successfully activating your account. So confirm. Then okay, there you have it, my account, that registration date, that account name, standard, registers an ambassador, blah blah. So okay, after creating an account, you land on this interface. So okay, let's head on and see the next step after creating an account. So okay, the first step, you are done with it, you have already created an account. Then the second step is step 2, deposit USDT in your account. You can see, navigate to my account page, where you will find QR code and deposit address. Then you can deposit USDT either method, transfer directly to the deposit address or scan the QR code with your wallet app. Note, ensure deposit meets the following condition: use the Binance Merchant BEP20 network, transfer a minimum of 3 USDT. Starting from 1 USDT is allowed, but a minimum investment of 3 USDT is required for you to participate in the public sale. So okay, let me show you where you'll get your QR code, or where you'll get your address on which you'll deposit your USDT to. So okay, let me read. After completing the deposit, proceed to the participate page during the ad sale. Okay, let's first deposit USDT. So go back to the Athene public site. So okay, when you scroll down, you'll find that you'll see an option for depositing. It is, and you can see the network is BEP20. So okay, BEP20, and the address is provided here. So you can copy this address, send USDT to this address, a minimum of 3, because that's the least amount you can invest on. Then you can also choose to use the QR code. Just come and screenshot the QR code, scan it, then send USDT to this QR code. They will land directly to your Athene public sale account. Then you can now proceed to investing. So okay, after depositing your account, let's see what is the next step. Okay, and now we have successfully deposited USDT on our account. Then you can see we are being told, after completing the deposit, proceed to the participate page to join the ATH public sale. So okay, then step 3, invest in ATH public sale. On the participate page, you can review the fundraising progress, including the details in auctioning, duration, soft cap, and your investment milestone. Simply enter the amount you wish to invest, a minimum of 3 USDT, and click confirm auctioning. You can see the image is also provided here. At auctioning, read and accept the disclaimer to finalize the investment. Then while investing in ATH, before we progress to why you are investing, let me first show you how you can buy your investment. So okay, let me go back to the Athene site. So okay, we have been told you must participate. So okay, come to the join auctioning section there, then tap on join. So make sure you first have deposited USDT on your account. So okay, then expected listing, current price, blah blah blah. Auctioning pool, you can see here it is. Then amount you participated, estimated as to receive, your available balance. So what you do, just scroll down to where you'll find the amount you want to participate section. So come here and input the amount, and remember the minimum amount is 3. So just input 3. So estimated as to be received is this. You can see 8897.849 ATH, 8000 ATH. Then when you input the amount, what you are remaining to do is just come and tap here confirm auctioning. So when you confirm auctioning, this is the estimated amount you'll receive, and also they will reflect here amount you participated. It will show that you have participated with that amount here. Estimated amount you'll be receiving, it will also reflect here. Then the available balance on your account, it will also reflect here. So basically that's how you join, and that's how you participate on the Athene public sale. So okay, let's see the reasons as to why you should participate on the Athene public sale. So why invest in ATH? So one, think of ATH as your available ticket to something bigger. Whether it's the reward, the growth, the potential of being part of the trading community, ATH has so much in store for you. So one of the advantages, you'll get full potential. As a token designer to integrate the Athene network, ATH has immense growth opportunities backed up by robust roadmap. So you'll get the Athene full potentials. 2, you'll get general referral rewards. So 7% for direct referrals. When you invite someone to join ATH, you'll earn 7% of the investment. Then you'll earn 5% for indirect referrals. If direct referrals invite others, you'll also earn 5% from their investment. Then apart from these referrals rewards, there's also this other reward. Here's where it's getting better. Even better. Invest a total of 3,000 including investors from your direct and indirect referrals, and will automatically be upgraded to ambassador status. For example, if you invest 1,000 and referrals add up to 2,000, congratulations, you are now an ambassador. And remember, being an ambassador comes with exclusive perks, giving you even more advantages than standard investors. Then exclusive 1 million USDT prize pool will be also. Apart from the 7 and 5% reward from direct and indirect referrals, investors also have the opportunity to participate in a 1 million USDT prize pool. So apart from all these rewards you'll be getting, you'll still be participating in the 1 million USDT prize pool. So depending on your luck, you may get the 1 million USDT prize. So basically, that's how you join the that's how you join the ATH public sale, how you invest, how you deposit, the advantages included on it. So basically that's it. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so, and refer to my channel, continue watching my videos for more mining updates.